Here is Precious Piper, hard at work in the office. We're just taking a look at her on what she does while she's waiting for people to come in, but she's still on the job. She has to make sure that the chair is nice and clean. She's really thinking about this one. Look at how gracefully she sits in the chair, with her tail tucked up real nice. Oh, now it looks like maybe she sees somebody that might be coming in. No, I guess it wasn't for her. Oh well, back to waiting. A lot of this job just involves being there and ready in case you're needed.